How to apply for a Bank of America credit card. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in bankofamerica.com and then search for it. With that, you'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, here you're gonna find different option. Navigate to the option of credit cards. You'll be directed to this page where you're gonna find different credit card option. Customize cash rewards, Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards, Saved on Interest, Bank America Card, Bank of America Travel Cards. Just go through these cards and select the one that you want to apply for. Just go ahead and click on the option of Apply Now. Now you're gonna find all the details of the credit card that you want to apply for. Now you have to fill this in order to apply for the credit card. Type in your first name, middle name, last name, suffix, address, city, state, zip code, phone number, email address, and click on Continue. Just follow the on-screen instructions and complete this process. And just with that, you have applied for the Bank of America credit card. So, that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.